Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Login8. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to share Instagram Reel to WhatsApp status. To do this, first you'll have to go to your Instagram. Once you open your Instagram, you'll first have to go to the Reels page, which is right beside your profile page. You may tap on the Reels icon, and then here you can scroll down to various Reels. You may scroll to the Reel that you want to share. Now, on your selected Reel, you'll have to go to the Share button. Once you tap on the Share button, a bar opens up from the bottom of your screen. Here, at the bottom of the bar, you will see various options such as Add to Story, Download, Share to, Copy Link, and others. You may slide to those options, and then here, right beside the Copy Link option, you can see the WhatsApp option. You may tap on the WhatsApp option to share this Instagram Reel to your WhatsApp status. Once you tap on the WhatsApp option, your WhatsApp opens up. Here, the list of your contacts show up. You may just tap on your contact if you want to share this Instagram Reel to that contact. However, to share this Instagram Reel to your WhatsApp status, at the top you can see the My Status option. You'll have to tap on the circle next to My Status. Once you tap on that, a tick mark appears there. Then, at the bottom, you can see the Next button highlighted in green. You may just tap on that. On the next page here, you can see the link of the Instagram Reel. Then, you may just tap on the Send button at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on that, you will be directed to Instagram again. However, now to check if your Instagram Reel has successfully been shared to your WhatsApp status or not, you can go to WhatsApp. Then, you will have to go to the Updates page here, since you are in the Chats page. To go to the Updates page, you'll have to tap on the icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you tap there, you will see My Status. You may tap on My Status. You will be taken to your status. Then, again, you'll have to tap on your status to view it. You may tap on that. This will simply allow you to view your shared Instagram Reel. This is how you can easily share Instagram Reel to WhatsApp status. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.